Hey, welcome back, guys. Got an update on the CE build by myself today here doing this. So this is the natural G10 color. This is what I use on most of my retro builds. This is the powder coated white, the RC10 CE that you guys have seen in the last couple of videos. Today I was able to mill out the shock towers and the back tower, which also has b5m wing mounting capability. Now this isn't the exact mounting position of the wing, only because this is actually the wing mount off of my b5m. So when you would use that b5m mount, you'd actually put your holes closer in so the wing is further back. But just to show you how the setup is, you got three positions to bring it up or lower up, raise it or lower it. And those are for sale also. So the stock mounting holes for shock position and everything on the back, and just added the b5m mounts. That's all. So that's the update so far. We got the shock towers on. Like I said in this video, I was getting rid of the black G10 only because I wanted to keep a G10 clear retro look, because these are going to have the b5m shocks, the big bores, and it's going to look pretty nice with the color combination. So this G10's nice. It's got a bluish greenish little tint to it, but they're real transparent. Really nice finish. So that's the update on the CE build that you've seen me in Ireland posting. So just to give you a look, the color of the G10 is so nice. It's perfect. Just imagine the blue and gold, you know, the blue shocks, the big bores on there. It's going to be real nice color contrast. So turn it around. RPM arms, front and back. So that's the update to the CE build, guys. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, and comment, and message me if you want to see anything. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate it. Bye.